Dive into English, discovering concrete nouns. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to our fascinating journey into the world of English grammar. Today, we're going to explore the realm of concrete nouns. These are an essential part of our language, allowing us to express the tangible world around us. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly are concrete nouns? In simple terms, these are words that identify something we can experience through our five senses: sight, hearing, smell, touch, and taste. This means we can see, hear, smell, touch, or taste them. Examples include words like apple, rain, music, perfume, and sandpaper. Now, how do you identify a concrete noun when you see one? A good rule of thumb is to ask yourself whether you can perceive the noun through any of your five senses. If the answer is yes, then it is a concrete noun. If the answer is no, it could be an abstract noun, which deals with ideas, feelings, or qualities. You should know that concrete nouns can fall into several categories. They can be countable, like dog, book, or uncountable, like water, air. They can be singular, like bird, or plural, like birds. They can be common, like city, or proper, like New York. Don't worry, we will learn more about these categories in upcoming videos. To help you understand, let's look at a few sentences. Here, I've highlighted the concrete nouns. 1. Sunlight filters through the leaves of the tree. 2. She loves the smell of freshly baked bread in the morning. 3. The sound of the violin was mesmerizing. In each of these examples, the highlighted words are things you can see, smell, or hear. Therefore, they are concrete nouns. And that's a wrap on concrete nouns. As you can see, they are all around us, forming a crucial part of our daily communication. Keep practicing and try to spot concrete nouns in your everyday conversations or while reading a book. Remember, practice makes perfect. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey of mastering English grammar. Stay tuned for more exciting topics. Until next time, happy learning!